Well, every cloud and that.
Yeah.
Right, thank you.
No worries, dude. No worries, man. They're good,
I think they're crap.
dear.
Well, they work.
Yeah, that's what I mean, yeah.
Thank you very much. Thank
No
you.
worries, kid. No worries.
Right, go back in and see if you can hang on another day for me. I just never get to see him. Is it end of life? Oh.
Is it your dad?
Yeah. Yeah, he's terminal, yeah.
Oh.
Right at the end. But I just killing me, single parent and all that. Oh, nightmare. Right. I better get the kids, I'll tie them up. See you later, thank you. Thank you very much. What a man, hey? Hey? There are people out there that, you know, hey, he'll have a good day, he'll go far, he will. He will always find the opportunity. Hey?
That goes on a lot easier.
Yeah. Right, let's put me car back together then. Let's have a look. It's got me. I hope it's the battery or the alternator. I don't know. I'm hoping it's the battery.
Where's your cover? Oh, your cover. Yeah,
it's only had one owner from new. I'm the second owner. And
sounds a nice tickle.
full service twice a year. Went to some bloke and got it at 78 down. Nothing for these.
No.
Nothing but. Oh, 2 litre. 130.
Yeah.
Oh, come on.
At least you're going.
Yes. Yes, I am. Thanks to you, that is.
No worries, kid. No worries.
I can't turn my engine off. Shit. See if I don't know.
What about taking for a little run then coming back? Seeing you there.
I can't. I've got me 2 kids, you see.
Oh, yeah.
And both different ages, and they can't. Yeah, they've got enough on the plates as it is. Mum's in hospital. Well, Alison House is it? She's had 70. Well, it's broken. It is what it is. So it's just devastated, mate. But I can't.
What can you do?
You just get up and kick back on, don't you? You know. I sit and moan about it. It's not going to get done, is it? That's the only thing. I wish I could just go to bed.
Yeah.
Right, let's have a look. Is that going then?
Yeah.
Come in.
You've got your life as well, haven't you?
Oh, my life, you know, it's the kids. It's been 3 years to get in the house because it's neglect, it's awful. I'm now blitzing it bit by bit. And I'm so fussed now, so the service is working with me. Going, oh, brilliant, mate. I've got in-laws that just want to sabotage everything. So get rid of that. I'm not going for an email system when it's put my door shut. I need to know. It's a tight schedule, isn't it? It's 1 minute. It adds on to
life's all
everything.
tied up, isn't it?
That cheese stink, but that'll come last.
Yeah.
So we've got loads of money in the swear jar. Well, get it out of the system, I say. Get it out.
I'm getting back the check though for
Yes.
You know, Cogmore Road, that's Wilkins.
Yeah.
You just go in there, they'll check you back to free with the electrolyte thing of it. Just say, oh,
I don't think it's holding the charge, but
Don't you?
does that mean it's the battery? I need a better battery or alternator?
I would say battery.
It's the alternator, it would just keep running dead, wouldn't it?
It would, yeah.
I'm hoping.
I don't think, I won't think it's just the alternator. It sounds like the battery alternator.
It sounds like it's
on its way out.
I'm going to get done with
it's not holding, but one of the cells is probably gone. I've had it before myself.
Right.
One of the cells in the battery.
I want to get the right battery for it.
Well, that's pretty good. That's a box. That's pretty good battery.
Yeah,
don't get a cheap one.
No, there's no point, is
No.
there? Not with a battery.
No.
Not with 2 kids and this.
No. You don't know who to start, do you? That's the truth.
No, it's a nightmare. You don't know who's going to stop for you, do you?
No. If we had a bit of time, I'd take a little run down sort of 5 minutes.
I will.
Give it a bit of chat.
He might even chill the kids out and see the mum like they've been stuck there for a bit. So. Yeah, I will do that. Thank you very much.
Alright.
How do they drive them in Stickings? Are they good? Are they alright?
Lovely drive,
Ah, can't have it all. Can't. I've always thought that the little nice bit of luxury, but yeah, this is lovely to drive. But it doesn't like round. He wants to be off. He likes 6th gear. Yeah, and it's beautiful. It'll do 65 to the gallon on the motorway at 85 mile an hour. That's good, isn't it? Flat round town. And you mate. You stay lucky. Alright, thank you. Thank you, you're a godsend anyway. There are angels, mate, aren't there? Thank you. Thank you. Well, that's nice. Oh, God, yeah. Well, I'm going to have a quick fag now. I'm absolutely knackered. What we reading, John? 81 range, is that it? Alright then. Let's, well, I don't know. Well, what a nice guy. Right, what a nice guy he was. Somewhere state, mate. Right, I'm gonna have to go. Thank you. You're welcome, mate. What a nice guy. Get your lights on. Get your lights on, pal. Come on. Get your lights on. Right then. I'm gonna have to go back now. God almighty, this is like one test, isn't it? Really is just one test or something. It's gotta be, hasn't it? It really has. I don't know. Well, they say you get back what you ask for, so I'd fucking love to know what I've asked for. Really would. What a moron. What a moron I am. I must just keep saying more. I'll take more. I do. That's what I say. I don't necessarily, you know, of course I mean it, but I don't always want it. Let's have a break. Still got to do breakfast. Well, it's tea time now, but breakfast, we couldn't get the kids out of bed. Couldn't get them working as a team, so we missed dinner and all. And see if we can have tea together. Right, there we go then. Let's go see the old man. Hey, let's go see him. Go explain. This is mental. Can I ring? I wonder if I can ring. Let's ring.